I just want to point out though, like let's be strategic when we're advising our clients or listeners to, you know, splurge, right? Because if you're buying something, remember, this is completely different from flipping properties or buying so you can resell it. We're advising you to buy something that it's not going to be in a bidding war, that you can just customize for yourself. But when it comes to overspending, I mean, I frown upon that, right? Because eventually you're going to want to resell this. And of course, you're going to use it for your own, so you're going to enjoy your little, you know, $800 light fixture fan. I'm not going to say who bought one that costs that much. But, you know, if you're going to splurge in that kind, you know that it's just for your own sake. You know, sometimes when you're selling a property, I hate it when people say, but excluding the dining room light fixture, excluding you know, it's like, it's so annoying.
Excluding the sink.
You can't exclude
the fridge,
the sink.
The microwave, the windows. Like, dude, just stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And sometimes, you know, like the big ticket items, if you're in an association where, you know, the windows have to be a certain kind, right? Then you're spending like $6,000 on 3 windows when you realize, oh, wait, so I need to allocate a budget for things that matter. And then I can go low cost on some of the things that, you know, maybe lighting fixtures from Wayfair, Overstock, or whatever, not Lightology, or, you know. But I think it's important to understand the after repair market value. What is the fair market value for this property after I improve it or I add my improvements? So if you're in an average buying a property, a single family in some of these neighborhoods, or a $350,000 home is going to require, you know, a new bathroom, a new kitchen, maybe you only have a $70,000 budget for rehab.